If you own a Jeep TJ, you know how important every bit of performance and efficiency can be, especially when tackling trails or highways. A good cold air intake system can significantly boost horsepower, torque, and throttle response while improving fuel economy. It helps your engine breathe better by supplying cooler, denser air for combustion. In this review, we'll look at the best cold air intakes for your Jeep TJ, covering their design, performance, and practicality. All product links are in the video description, so don't forget to check them out below. The Red Rock Cold Air Intake offers noticeable gains in both horsepower and torque by improving oxygen flow. Its reusable conical filter captures contaminants efficiently, protecting your engine while saving money in the long run. The system requires no computer retuning, though an optional tune can unlock even better results. The bolt-on installation is simple with standard tools, and Red Rock's customer-focused design ensures a perfect fit and reliable daily performance for your TJ. The AFE Advanced Flow Momentum GT intake delivers an impressive plus 15 horsepower and plus 17 pound-feet of torque, outflowing the factory system by 76%. Its computer-aided design ensures precision fitment, and the roto-molded intake tube maximizes airflow. The 5-layer oiled cotton gauze filter allows excellent filtration and easy maintenance. Let's hear how it sounds. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake System increases horsepower and throttle response while safeguarding your engine from debris. By relocating the air filter away from the engine compartment, it draws in cooler, denser air, improving combustion and overall efficiency. The large diameter cylindrical tube ensures superior airflow compared to the stock setup. Featuring a reusable air filter and easy installation, it's a quick, affordable way to boost performance. Built from quality materials and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it's a solid upgrade for any Jeep owner. The Banks Ram Air Intake System doubles the airflow of the stock intake, dramatically boosting power and fuel efficiency. Its enclosed housing keeps hot engine air out, ensuring your engine inhales cooler, denser air for optimal combustion. Built for the Jeep TJ 4.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, this intake uses a massive conical oiled filter and large tubing to reduce restrictions. Designed to move with the engine, it prevents damage and extends service life. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, it's ideal for drivers seeking durable, proven performance. Let's fire it up. Finally, the K&N intake guarantees up to 12.13 additional horsepower and 13.8 pound-feet of torque. The rotationally molded high-density polyethylene tube increases airflow volume, while the oversized washable cotton gauze filter offers up to 100,000 miles between cleanings under normal driving. The system includes a custom heat shield and stainless steel clamps, all installable in under an hour using basic tools. Backed by K&N's lifetime limited warranty, this intake provides reliable, maintenance-friendly performance without affecting your vehicle warranty. When comparing these cold air intakes, consider key factors such as airflow improvement, filter maintenance, installation ease, and build quality. Each product offers its own balance of power, durability, and value for Jeep enthusiasts. Whether you prioritize long service intervals, maximum horsepower, or easy installation, one of these systems will suit your needs perfectly. Don't forget, all product links are in the video description. If this review helped you choose the right intake for your Jeep TJ, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest gear reviews.